So I'm squeezing the corner. And then 2x plus x squared. Okay? This way took a ton more time than this way. But I always do the same thing every time. You know what I'm saying? I don't like going top and bottom, all that stuff. I like to stay on top, get everything together on the bottom, and then dividing is the same by multiplying by the reciprocal and then multiply across. Okay? That's the way I do it. Either way is fine. And either way just takes a little bit of practice. So what are you going to do? I like the attitude. I like it a lot. Okay? So that's something, let's practice it. Like now, let's practice it after school. Yes?
How do you know that that's the most simplified form?
That's a good question. And that's the game. And I would just say, okay, it's good enough. That's a really good question. Because a lot of them, okay, is this a difference of squares? Is this something? In this case, there's nothing else that would factor. There's nothing in common. There's not an x that you can pull out of each and cancel. But that's the whole problem with simplifying. When is it most simplified? And it's kind of like, you know what I'm saying? It's a great question. If you solve for something, you solve for it. It's like, aha, I solve. X by itself equals, and then whatever it's equal to. You know what I'm saying? Simplifying, it's like, is it? Maybe? I don't know. But this one looks like it's done. Do you see anything else that you can simplify more? I don't see in this one, or this one. Sometimes you can do more, and we'll just work on a couple. Okay? Any questions on any of that? Alright, let's see what happens if I put the homework up, so we can check it. So what I want you to do now, this is again your time. We got the test tomorrow, packets due tomorrow. Use it however you wish to go over anything you specifically want to look over. I'm going to put the homework up so you can check over these. Maybe I'll flash it over here. So plot point negative 2, 2. Like an xy plane.
Yeah.
Then cosecant of negative x equals 1 over sine of negative x. And since sine is odd, sine of negative x equals negative sine of x. So that's equal to that. The 1 over sine of negative x is equal to 1 over negative sine x, which is the same as negative 1 over sine x, which is the name as negative cosecant x. And it's like a proof that, and in the